In other news, because this thing's going up in the air, Abba SkyLift don't list it as a bike you can lift. But if I know anything, when you've got the Technicians kit, you're going to find a way. I'm going to find a pin for this side and find a pin for the other side. You're going up. So what you do is rummage around in your Technicians kit, excuse all the cobwebs off the bike, find a pin that fits snugly, and to be fair, that does. So that's going to go on this side. And then for the other side, I have that. And that fits. And that's going in there. And now we're up in the air. I can put it up a little bit higher, but I think this is going to let me pull the wheels off of it, give it a good clean, just start pulling components off of it really. I use the ratchet for the Abba, and then I just put a ratchet on it myself, just as a bit of backup really. Not that I expect any problems. Super. I'm so excited. Are we going white wheels? Or are we going to leave them black? Answers in the comments section.